Replace these basic phrases with day-to-day English phrases. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. I don't like it. I'm not a fan. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. Let's start. Let's get the ball rolling. I don't know. I have no idea. Can you help me? Could you give me a hand? I'm not sure. I'm on the fence. That's good. That's awesome. I understand. I get it. I'm hungry. I'm starving. And that's it for today. By using day-to-day English, you'll sound more natural and fluent. Practice these phrases and see how they make your conversation smoother. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video. Thanks for now. Cheers.